super easy sourdough recipe for the lazy or for the people with arthritis. Starting with 1.5 cup lukewarm to warm water. 1 cup active peaked sourdough starter. I have a little less than a cup, but sourdough is not that serious. We're only going to use a stand mixer so your hands won't get tired. Mix that on low just until it looks milky. It just takes a few seconds. We're going to add 4 cups flour. I use all purpose. If you have bread flour, that's perfectly fine. I don't level off my flour. Never have, probably never will. 2 teaspoons salt. And mix this on low for about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. We're gonna see how she looks. Really good. I'm only taking it out of the bowl so I can show you the texture. It's really smooth and looks perfect. Whoops. Now literally all you're gonna do is cover this up using whatever you have, a kitchen towel, a dampened kitchen towel, plastic wrap, shower cap, Tupperware lid laid on top, whatever you have, cover it up, set it aside and let it bulk ferment. This can take everybody a different amount of time. What you're looking for is for it to about double in size, and it's gonna look domed, be a little bubbly, and pull away from the edges nicely. So mine normally takes about 3 to 5 hours, just depending. My house is a little warm today, so I don't anticipate it taking too long. So setting it aside, we're gonna let it bulk ferment, and then we'll come back for the next steps. It's been bulk fermenting for about 5 hours, and I may have over fermented it just a tad. It doesn't look too bad. So we're gonna dump it out onto our floured surface. And just having to help it a little bit. Just stretching it out. Folding it once. Folding it twice. And rolling it up. I'm gonna do a few push and pulls just to create tension and tighten everything up. Got some bubbles. And I'm not quite ready to bake this yet, but I will be real soon. I'm actually gonna be baking in my loaf pan. So I'm just gonna put it on a piece of parchment paper. I'm gonna put it right in there. I'm gonna cover the loaf pan back up and stick this in the fridge until I'm ready to bake.